how to turn off chat on Gmail PC. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn off chat on Gmail easy and fast. So all what you have to do is simple. Go to Gmail. Now go to the top here and click on settings. Now after you click on settings, click on see all settings right here, and now go to chat and meet here in the top. Click on it and it will take you to this page, and here you will find the chat option. Click off from here and click save changes. As you can see, very easy and fast. It's turned it off successfully. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.